at that snowstorm. You can even see it. And the wind gusting 70 to 80 kilometers an hour here. Like, this is crazy and very nasty. This is how the snowstorms.
This is Canadian weather for
Yeah,
you.
this is Canadian weather for you.
They can hear me too.
I know.
You're going to see a lot of semis parked along here tonight. They'll be pulling off and going, no, I'm not going to chance it.
You see that snowstorm? Turning here and turning in the dark weather. Okay, that is the Canadian weather here. To those who doesn't realize how bad the snow get hit sometimes. Okay, bye.